हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज राधे श्याम यादव। आज मैं सरफेस एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम के ऊपर एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करूंगा जो क्लास 9 और क्लास 10th दोनों में आ सकता है। तो नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज अ मेटल parallelepiped of measures 16 centimeter into 11 centimeter into 10 centimeter was melted to make coins. How many coins were made if the thickness and diameter of each coin was 2 mm and 2 centimeter respectively? So, this is the question. तो इसमें वो पूछ रहा है कि मेटल पैरेललोपाइप्ड है जिसकी 16, 11 एंड 10 सेंटीमीटर डायमेंशन दिया हुआ है। तो सबसे और इसी को मेल्ट करके कॉइन में बदल दिया जाता है। तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, वॉल्यूम निकालेंगे किसका, पैरेललोपाइप्ड का। दैट मीन्स पैरेललोपाइप्ड का वॉल्यूम निकालने का फार्मूला क्या होता है, LBH से निकालेंगे। उसके बाद कॉइन्स जो है इट इज मेड इन सिलिंड्रिकल फॉर्म। तो उसके बाद सिलेंडर का वॉल्यूम निकालेंगे और सिलेंडर के वॉल्यूम से पैरेललोपाइप्ड के वॉल्यूम को डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमको आ जाएगा नंबर ऑफ कॉइन्स, मीन्स हाउ मेनी कॉइन्स वर मेड। So now solution given a parallelopiped melted and coins were made. Coins melted and cylindrical coins are made. Cylindrical coins are made. Now length of parallelopipe equals to 16 centimeter equals to 16 into 10, that is 160 mm. Width of parallelopiped equals to 11 centimeter equals to 11 into 10, that is 110 mm. And height of piped equals to 10 centimeter, that means 10 into 10, this is 100 mm. So I have converted this centimeter into mm. Now 2 mm thickness. So thickness of coin, thickness of coin, that is H, is 2 mm. 2 mm. Radius of coin, diameter of coin, diameter of coin, that is D equals to 2 into 2 centimeter equals to 2 into 10, that is 20 mm. Therefore, radius of coin equals to 20 by 2, that is 10 mm. So these are the data given to us. Now I am going to find out the volume of the parallelepiped. So first we will calculate volume of parallelepiped equals to L into B into H. So L is 160 into 110 into 100. This will be 0, 0, 0 and 0. 2, 0, 3, 4. 16 into 11 means 11 6 ja 66. 11 1 ja 11 plus 6 17. So this comes out to be mm cube, means cubic millimeter. So this is the volume of the parallelepiped. Now volume of the coin. To calculate volume of the coin, we will use the formula of cylinder, that is, it is cylindrical form equals to pi r square h. That means 22 by 7 into r square means 10 into 10 into 2, that is the height. This is 2. So it comes out to be 100, 10 into 10 100 into 22 into 2 44. So 4400 upon 7 is the volume of one coin. Now we have to find out the number of coins. So number of coins will be volume of parallelepiped, volume of parallelepiped piped upon volume of coin, volume of coin. So volume of parallelepiped upon volume of coin. So this will give us 0.0000 upon 4400 upon 7, or this will be 17640 upon 4400 into 7. So this comes out to be, this is cancelled. Now 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16, 1 16, 288. Now 22 4 ja 88, 7 4 ja 28, 7 4 ja 28, so 0 0 means total number of coins that can be made equals to 2800. So our answer is 2800 coins can be made with this type. Now this is the way to solve the question. जैसा कि मैंने इसको अभी सॉल्व करके दिखाया है, तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब to my channel, like it and share it. Thank you.